Welcome to Grammar with Lily. Last time I told you that modal verbs are like other helping verbs in some ways. They come before a base main verb. I also told you how modal verbs are different from other helping verbs. Modals do not change for singular subjects, and modals tell extra information. Let's look at the information we can add with these 4 modal verbs. First, can. Can tells about present and future ability. I can speak English. Now, simple present fact. I can help you tomorrow. Oh, in the future. I can't see the board. Present fact. I cannot be absent again in the future. Notice that there are 2 ways to make can negative. The contraction can't and the single word cannot. This is one of the funny things about English. Do not write can not as 2 separate words. I don't know why, but you must always write it together. Cannot or can't. 3 more modal verbs, may, might, and will. Talk about certainty, how sure you feel about something. Is it 100% it will happen or just maybe? Will shows certainty about things in the future. You feel sure 100% about these future events. The teacher will help you. The students will not be late tomorrow. He won't give me the answer. Notice the special contraction for will not. If you follow the usual rule and for a contraction and write willn't, you will be wrong. That is not a word in English. We always write the contraction won't. May and might mean the same thing. May and might are for present and future things that we are less certain about. We don't know for sure. She might be finished with the test. Present. We might not be hungry after class. Future. The teacher may not be in her office now. Present. The students may be late tomorrow. Future. Notice that both of the negatives have no contractions. May not, might not. Many years ago, we had contractions for these negatives, mayn't, mightn't, but today we do not contract them. May not, might not, always separate words. Also, notice how the base verb be is separate from may. Do not combine the modal verb may and the base verb be into one word. No, they are always 2 separate words. You might ask me, isn't maybe a real word? I thought I saw the word maybe before. Yes, it is a real word, and the meaning of maybe is similar to the meaning of may. But maybe is an adverb. Adverbs and modal verbs get used different ways in a sentence. The students may be late. Maybe the students are late. These 2 sentences have the same meaning. The modal verb may tells me the main verb be is not certain, not sure. The adverb maybe tells me the sentence is not certain, not sure. But look where we put them. We use may after the subject before the main verb, which is in the base verb form. We use maybe at the beginning of the sentence, separate from the main verb. And the verb is not a base verb here. It changes for the subject. You might want to practice this more.